Hey guys, welcome to Agri and Me with me being Agri, and you guys being me part in case you guys are joining me on this journey called life. And today for life, we're planning Elias'S 6-month birthday party, so half a year. For those that did not know, my name is Abigail, and I just had a little baby about almost 6 months ago on Thursday. And to be specific, this is Thursday, the 25th of February. So that's when he's gonna turn 6 months. So I decided that I'm going to do him a little birthday party or whatever. Right now all his clothes is Dinosaurs because that's the cutest clothes that I could find for boys, because for boy moms, you guys already know it's so hard to find clothes for boys. I don't know where to look. Do I look right there? Right there? I don't know. Let's just stare into the random. I just decided that I wanted to do a little dinosaur thing, and I went to Walmart first, and Walmart didn't have anything, like literally nothing. So I decided to go to a 99-cent store and look what I found. I found dinosaurs. Look at this, look at this. And excuse the look, guys. I am in my clothes. I am in my husband's office, and I just didn't bring a sweater. I'm kind of cold. I didn't bring a sweater. Baby's sleepy. I don't want to make noise. Also, this is how I look every single day, but let's make more excuses. It's like 9 o'clock at night, so how do you guys like my look? Anyways, let me just go ahead and show you guys what I have so far for his birthday party, and let me explain my vision. I'm gonna do these things in parts, like cake, crown, maybe decorations, like food and beverages. And just to clarify, this is like literally gonna be like a 6-person, 7-person party with Elias, because it's just those that live here, and those that live here are me, the mama, the daddy, grandma, grandpa, auntie, and auntie. So, oh, and Elias. So those are all the people that are invited. I was going to make it a little kids party thing with my little nieces, but then I feel bad that then I won't invite anyone else, so I decided that I wasn't gonna do that anymore. So yeah, let's get going on with my haul that I have for today. So get to it. First off, like I said, I bought these plates, and these plates I bought them at the 99-cent store. They are 8 plates, 16 pieces, 16 plates. I got this at the 99-cent store, and I'm gonna put this on top of the cake, Velcro, because I'm gonna make him a little crown. And I want it to be adjustable, so I can reuse it for every single birthday. It's just kind of like a, you know, yearly thing. I'm gonna make a crown. And this is cake, plate, crown things, whatever. I got them at the 99-cent store. There's 3 of them. How much did they cost? I don't know. 99 cents, I guess. Oh, this is 10 inches. And I also did buy like a 6-inch pan at Walmart. I'm still debating a lot of things with the cake, so I bought some of this felt. And that's because I'm gonna make baby a little crown. And I don't know, I just felt like I needed 2. It was like $2.50 something each one, so I bought 2. So these are for baby, and I bought these. So these are for the cake. So some of them are for the cake. Well, if I make it 2-layered, I guess a lot of them are for the cake. But I guess also like picture props, like those things on the eyes. You could probably take pictures with those. And then the elephants, the dinosaurs, will probably likely go on the cake. So this on the cake, and also where are you? Try to be like this, like little things like this, and this on the cake. So I am gonna do like food and beverages. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a horchata for food. I really don't know, but yeah, the cake. I've been coming up with so many things in my head because this is special. This is my baby's birthday. I'm making the cake. I usually make cakes from scratch, but I actually bought like the box cake mix. Okay, because I'm a mama, I don't have time. My baby is he's kind of clingy. He kind of really likes being with me. So on top of like house stuff and chores, I'm gonna do a cake. But I decided I'm gonna make the cake this Wednesday at night, so that way I can have the breads ready to go, and the next day just preparing everything, putting the whipped cream, decorations, everything like that. So I do make my own kind of like thing. I have my own thing going on with these cakes, but yeah, that's just what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to make him a 6-month birthday party, and I wanted you guys to be a part of it. So I'm going to be documenting like parts of everything and how I'm going to be doing it. I know there's this one little thing people usually do, like smash cakes or whatever. I really thought about it, but I do not like it. Make it any type of like candy or sugar or anything. I just go fruit and vegetables, and usually I end up putting vegetables in his fruit. But so I will be doing that. But I really wanted to get him a high chair for 6 months birthday party, so that I can do like those little like ribbon, like the tools like hanging off of his high chair. But he doesn't have one yet because he's barely experimenting with his solids. But instead I think I'm just gonna end up doing like a DIY banner for baby. So I don't really know how I'm going to do that one yet, but I'll see. I'll come up with something. I have a whole bunch of craft stuff, but I don't know if I have enough for a banner. But and if I do, it's gonna be amazing. But I'm really stretching myself thin because today is Sunday the 22nd. I can't check, I'm recording. Anyway, so today is Sunday, and so I literally have 3 days to do all this, because on Thursday I'm supposed to be setting everything up. We're supposed to be chilling like some villains, and I'm supposed to be eating, partying, celebrating. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. But most likely the next video is gonna be me planning the little cake, because that's gonna take me a while to explain to you guys. So I'll show you guys my little stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the video where I'm going to explain to you guys the cake and my ideas for the cake. But again, this is Aguri and me, with me being Aguri, and you guys being me, because you're joining me on this journey called life. Today for life, we are playing Elias'S 6-month birthday party. Whoa, I bit myself. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.